Hello, welcome to Simon Shield Cars. Lovely sunny day here, and today we're going to show you a Honda CR-V we've got for sale. This is the later generation CR-V. It's the EX 2.2 I-dtec model. EX is the executive one, so this has got the sunroof, it's got the leather trim, heated seats, sat nav, reversing camera, all that sort of thing in there. This is a two-owner car from new, locally supplied, and full service history with it. And 37,000 miles from new. So nice low mileage on this car, 150 brake horsepower. Let's have a look around. As you can see, front parking sensors on the car, as well as rear ones, obviously. Fog lights. Supplied by John Banks in Ipswich originally, this car. And it's got these rather nice diamond turned alloy wheels on it, which look great. Metallic grey, as you can see. Black leather interior. We have everything with the car, so we've got two sets of keys, all the original books, everything that should be with it is with it. Let's show you in the boot. Oh, just before that, rear parking sensors on here as well. Reversing camera. Okay, so on the buttons on the key here, we've got a button which you can press to open the boot remotely. As you can see, it goes up electrically, and also you can press the same button again to shut it remotely. There is a button inside to shut it as well, but you can shut it remotely from the key fob. Okay, so looking inside the boot here, plenty of space in here, as you can see. This is the button to shut the boot electrically, and underneath the cover here, we've got the space saver spare wheel, all the tools and bits and pieces you'd expect. Load area blind there, retractable blind. Okay, so looking in the back of the car here, as you can see, black leather, beautiful condition. Folding seats. These automatically fold, so it's really quite a clever idea, this. And we've also got rubber mats in the car as well, keep the carpets clean. Tinted glass. Full complement of electric windows, folding mirrors here. Electric seats. As you can see, leather all in good order. Memories for the seats as well, as you can see. You can open the door and it will reset the seat to the key that unlocked it. Multi-function steering wheel here as well. So all the buttons on there for everything. And looking across, full-size screen down here for sat nav, phone, and radio. Climate control, as you'd expect, 6-speed gearbox. Heated seats, 2-stage heated seats here as well. Armrest too. And space in the armrest. And inside here you've got the USB connection. A full panoramic roof, but if you don't want the sun coming in, quite simply, we've got a switch here, and it's got an electric blind. You can stop this wherever you like, but one touch will shut the whole thing down and open it all again, and you can stop it wherever's necessary. Okay, let's show you under the bonnet. There we have the engine. Honda's good old trusty 2.2 I-dtec engine, 150 brake horsepower, great on fuel. Car's four-wheel drive obviously as well, so on-road four-wheel drive, off-road four-wheel drive good. If you want a tow bar on here can make a great tow car, and all of course with Honda's legendary reliability. So great little prospect, this car. And also something to mention with this engine as well, this is free of the ultra low emission zone charge in London, the ULEZ charge. It's a Euro 6 engine, so you don't attract the additional charge per day in London. So if you're looking at the car from down in that area, it's not something you've got to worry about with this car. Okay, so we'll just show you the keyless entry system for the Honda CR-V. Quite simply, as long as you've got the keys with you in your pocket, wherever you've got them, walk up to the car. That unlocks it. You get in, you don't need the keys to start the car. Again, as long as the keys are inside the car will start with the press of the button, so you can keep them in your pocket or wherever you want to. When you finish, just push the button, switch the car off, shut the door, you're leaving it. This little button here, push that, that's it. Car shut, car locked. No necessity to actually use the key at all. So there we have it, little run through on the car again. 2014 on a 14 plate. This is the Honda CR-V 2.2 I-dtec EX manual, 37,500 miles from new. Full service history, all the keys, all the books, everything with the car that should be with it, locally supplied. A really nice example, this. So if you need any more information, please give us a call. It's Simon Shield Cars Limited. It's 01473 658 091, or alternatively hop on the website for all the pictures, all the details, all the specifications, everything's on there, and that is simonshieldcars.co.uk. Thank you for watching.